Hello, my name is Lauren and this is my Python project. My project is named Fundfair and is a website where you can post your own charities and other people can sign up for them. So this website was inspired by Eventbrite and I've made it using Python and the Python Flask module, SQL Alchemy, and HTML and CSS. So this is the website, and let's start with registering a new account. So first, you can log in or you can register a new account. So once you filled in all the fields, you can click submit and it will redirect you to the website. So this is the homepage of the website and this is where all the charity events will show up. And when you scroll down, you can see some banners and you can create your own charity event. And yeah, so you can create it and name it whatever you want. So you can press submit and it will show up on this page called posts where all the charities show up. So this is public on the website, on the database for everyone to see, and anyone can sign up for your charity. You can also view the post, edit the post, and delete the post. So you can't sign up for your own charity, but here I have signed up on a different account. And as you can see my charity 123 by this person. You can view it and you can sign up, and here it will show the number of signups. Once you've signed up for some events, and I will also sign up for this one, you can click my events and it will show you the events that you have signed up for. You can also search for events. So now I will show you my code. As I said before, I use the Flask module, Python, HTML and CSS, and SQL Alchemy database. Here in my initialize, I just initialize the Flask things and also the databases. Views is my main script where I put all the routes for the different web pages. For example, /login where you log in, and /register where you register for it. Models.py is where I initialize all the databases. So there's one model for users, one for posts, and one for signups. And I have also used HTML and CSS in my website, and each HTML file is for the different pages, for example the home page and the posts page. I have also implemented some simple CSS. That's it for my project. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!